How to do, shave your head. Are you thinking of shaving your head? It is low maintenance and easy to do. Instructions: Step 1. Apply a moisturizing skin lotion to keep your scalp from getting dry. Step 2. Rinse your head and pat it with a damp towel. Quick tip: use a daily cleanser to remove any oils or dirt that may cause blemishes. Step 3. Enjoy your new style. Do not forget to apply sunscreen to your newly exposed head. Did you know? The adult scalp has approximately 1000 hairs per square inch. Step 4. Rinse the razor with warm water after each pass to remove hair and shaving cream from the blade. Step 5. Use a new razor and shave from the front of your head to the back with slow, long, even strokes. Take your time going over your whole head. You can always make another pass if necessary. Step 6. Wrap a hot towel around your head or take a hot shower. Allow the heat to moisturize and penetrate your scalp. Quick tip: having wet, soft hair reduces the chance of razor burn. Step 7. Apply shaving gel or cream to your head and massage it in. Quick tip: preparation is just as important as the shave. Step 8. Use clippers to cut your hair. Your hair will be easier to shave if it is short.